Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing any cable. This prevents accidental pulls. Lay the headphones on a clean, flat surface so small clips don't roll away. Once positioned, rotate the ear cup so the seam faces up. This gives you the best access. Using your thumbs, pinch the cushion where the seam is and gently lift. Apply steady, even pressure because the cushion is held by a silicone lip, not glue. Doing this first step correctly makes the rest easier and avoids tearing. Once the edge is lifted, you proceed by working around the circumference in quarter-turn increments. You pull the silicone lip a little, then move 90 degrees and repeat. This prevents overstressing one area. Use your fingernails or a plastic pry tool to ease the lip over the plastic ring. Metal tools risk scratching. Make sure you feel the lip clear the ridge. If you hit resistance, stop and reposition your fingers so the cushion comes off evenly. This method preserves the foam and mounting ring. You now slide the cushion fully off the ring and set the foam on a clean cloth to avoid lint. Inspect the plastic ring and foam for tears, and check for any leftover adhesive or broken clips. This is why you worked gently. If you find a torn lip, you can order a replacement cushion. If clips are intact, reassembly is straightforward. If the cushion is partially stuck, warm the silicone slightly with your breath or a 30 degrees C cloth to soften it. Then continue easing it off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.